choose LIC's Jeevan Tarun Plan 734, a unique child plan that combines savings and protection, ensuring your child's future is secure and their dreams are achievable. Jeevan Tarun is a non-linked, participating plan specially designed for children. Whether it's education, marriage, or starting a career, Jeevan Tarun provides the financial foundation to support your child's future. With a revised minimum sum assured of 2 lakhs rupees and surrender value available after just 1 year, this plan has become even more beneficial. Flexible payout options. Receive regular payouts between the ages of 20 to 24 to meet education or other expenses. Premium waiver benefit, PWB. In the unfortunate event of the proposer's demise, all future premiums are waived, ensuring the policy continues uninterrupted. Bonuses and final additional bonus, FAB. These enhance the overall returns at maturity. Tax benefits. Premiums paid and maturity benefits are eligible for tax exemptions under Sections 80C and 10(10)(d). Let's understand Jeevan Tarun with an example. Meet Kumari Swati, a newborn baby whose parents opt for this plan to secure her future with sum assured 10 lakhs rupees. Policy term 25 years. Premium payment term 20 years. Here's how this plan works. Premiums. First year premium 46,615 rupees annually, 128 rupee per day on average. Subsequent years 45,612 rupees annually, 125 rupee per day. These manageable premiums ensure her future is secured without financial strain. Survival benefits for her education. Starting at Swati's 20th birthday, the policy provides 15% of the sum assured, 1,50,000 rupees, annually for 5 years, totaling 7,50,000 rupees by the age of 24. These payouts can be used to fund Swati's higher education, covering expenses like tuition fees, books, or even living costs during her studies. Maturity benefit for her marriage. At Swati's 25th birthday, the plan pays out 25% of the sum assured, 2,50,000 rupees. Accrued bonuses, 11,25,000 rupees. Final additional bonus, FAB, 4,50,000 rupees. This brings the total maturity payout to 18,25,000 rupees, which can be used for major life milestones such as her marriage, setting up a home, or starting her career. In summary, total survival benefits, ages 20 to 24, 7,50,000 rupees to support education. Maturity benefit, age 25, 18,25,000 rupees to support marriage or other significant needs. Total premium paid, 9,13,243 rupees. By investing in Jeevan Tarun, Swati's parents ensure that her education and marriage dreams are fulfilled no matter what the future holds. This plan provides both financial security and the peace of mind that her aspirations are well supported. To summarize, total premium paid 9,13,243 rupees. Total returns 25,75,000 rupees, 7,50,000 rupees in payouts plus 18,25,000 rupees at maturity. Jeevan Tarun is not just a savings plan, it's a commitment to your child's bright future. Jeevan Tarun stands out because it offers guaranteed payouts during key life stages, flexibility for varied financial needs, comprehensive protection with premium waiver benefit. Your child's future deserves the best, and Jeevan Tarun ensures their dreams are supported every step of the way.